Being first gen isn't just about being the first to go to college.
It's about what becomes possible for ourselves, our families, and our communities.
We didn't just come to Rutgers, we became Rutgers.
At Rutgers, we're proud to stand by our first-gen students who bring resilience, heart, and purpose to everything they do.
Being first gen, it's kind of like accomplishing the dreams that my parents didn't get to accomplish.
I'm the first in my generation to go to college. Also the first in my generation in my entire family to get a master's.
Being first generation means a lot to me because I've also been able to set an example of what the American dream is and achieving that.
It means resilience. It means that I can conquer almost anything with no path and making it my own.
It means being someone that my children will look up to in the future.
It's freeing and it's like a reward knowing that you're the first to do this and hopefully, most definitely not the last.
I think it's very important to celebrate First Gen Week because we can celebrate students who come from different backgrounds and cultures.
It's about family, it's about community, building bridges, and supporting our first gen students as they pursue their dream.
Some of the firsts that I've experienced at Rutgers, I've had my first homecoming, I've had my first time having a job.
Moving without my parents, that's the first. Being by myself, exploring a new area by myself.
One thing that made me really proud as a first-gen student is when I applied for an internship at EY. And I actually got it, and I was able to intern, and then I also got a job offer. Now I'm graduating, and I work for them. I was able to work in my dream job, so it's crazy.
I applied to go to this trip to Texas, to Deloitte, which is an accounting firm. It was all paid, like the food, the flight, and our stay there. So that was just like a really proud moment for me, applying to it and getting to have that experience.
Rutgers University has completely contributed to my professional development, connecting with students that look like myself or come from the background that I'm from, even different backgrounds, to gain insight into resources they never had before.
Rutgers helped guide my path, and also the friends that were here and the people I made, the connections I made, the networks, the social gatherings and the social environments. Rutgers was key to success for me now and going forward in the future.
One strength that I discovered in myself at my time in Rutgers is that I can handle way more than I think. I have to juggle my classes. I'm also very involved in student orgs. I work and I do a bunch of other things. So just balancing all of that and just working on my time management is something that I've learned.
Some strengths I discovered in myself is the ability to public speak and be a leader. Being able to understand the community and the people you work with, their strengths, their weaknesses, knowing where to place people when it comes to executive boards. All of these professional aspects and skills I've learned here at Rutgers.
I was a first generation student myself here, so I remember what it felt like that first time I stepped on campus, really not knowing anything. So now that I'm here and I'm an administrator, a lot of my work is focused on making sure we support our students. So I wanted to show them that I'm a person here who supports them.
My first source of support is finding a community that was similar to where I came from. And from there, I kind of met multiple people, mentors, advisors, and also I found a new program which also helped me very much academically.
A lot of my Rutgers community, a lot of the organizations that I was exposed to became my older brother and sister. And today I'm a product of the village that was behind me, the people and the mentors and the professors that really helped get me and shape me to where I am today. I wouldn't be where I am without that community.
A community that is really built on this idea of support. Rutgers spent years just educating me. Took a deep dive into higher education, what it meant to be an academic, what it meant to be an educator. And then as a staff member, they support me just by allowing me to do what I can do with the students. They help me develop their certifications and just be a better coach, better counselor, and just constantly exposed to a diverse population that teaches me something new every day.
I feel like I've made so many opportunities with so many people that I see on a day-to-day basis. So it's a lot easier for me to connect with people, connect with professionals, and really have a community-centered campus.
Your stories remind us why access, equity, and opportunity matters. Your stories are not just a part of Rutgers, you are the story.
Rutgers becomes greater every time a first-generation student finds their voice. Go First Gen!